ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light?
Assalamu alaikum.
Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn an important feature of Arabic grammar that makes Arabic different from English. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll take it step by step and use simple, practical examples that you can follow easily. Lesson Introduction. Unlike English, Arabic has grammatical gender for both nouns and adjectives. In this lesson, we'll understand how they work through simple example sentences. Way of forming feminine nouns. Dear learners, many feminine nouns in Arabic are formed simply by adding the suffix called the ta marbuta, also known as the round ta, to the masculine noun. A male writer.
كاتب.
A female writer.
كاتبة.
Poet male.
شاعر.
Poet female.
شاعرة.
A male farmer.
فلاح.
A female farmer.
فلالحة.
A male minister.
وزير.
A female minister.
وزيرة.
A male doctor.
طبيب.
A female doctor.
طبيبة.
A king.
ملك.
A queen.
ملكة.
A male merchant.
تاجر.
A female merchant.
تاجرة.
A male servant.
خادم.
A female servant.
خادمة.
A male student.
طالب.
A female student.
طالبة.
A male teacher.
مدرس.
A female teacher.
مدرسة.
Dear learners, Arabic has also gender for adjective like noun. Righteous male.
صالح.
Righteous female.
صالحة.
Truthful male.
صادق.
Truthful female.
صادقة.
Oppressor male.
ظالم.
Oppressor female.
ظالمة.
Believing male.
مؤمن.
Believing female.
مؤمنة.
Dear learners, now we are going to see these words used in nominative sentences. If you do not know what a nominative sentence is, you should first study the previous lessons. A nominative sentence begins with a noun. It consists of two parts: the subject and the predicate. The subject is usually definite, so it often takes the definite article, al, which corresponds to the English word, the. The predicate is usually indefinite and therefore ends with tanwin, nunation. Anyhow, the sentence is,
الكتاب جديد.
Dear learners, here is
الكتاب
the subject of the sentence, which is a definite article, al, while
جديد.
is the predicate of the sentence taking a tanween mark. The whole meaning is, the book is new.
الكاتب مشغول في المكتب.
Meaning, the male writer is busy in the office.
الكاتب
The male writer
مشغول
is busy
في المكتب.
in the office. Dear, the word,
مشغول.
it is formed on one of the common adjective or past participle patterns called.
مفعول.
Anyhow, the word
مشغول.
has trilateral root
شين غين لام.
on the pattern of
مفعول.
is formed and has become.
مشغول.
Dear brothers, we can form past participle and adjective on this triliteral root.
مصروف. مجهول. ممنوع. معلوم.
Listen to the sentence once again.
الكاتب
Is the subject of the sentence which is definite taking, al.
مشعول
Is adjective and predicate of the sentence and therefore taking a tanween mark.
في المكتب
Is a prepositional phrase and the part of the predicate, and therefore takes a short vowel in the ending letter.
الكاتبة مشغولة في المكتب.
Meaning, the female writer is busy in the office. Dear learners, look at the subject and predicate of the sentence. The subject is feminine taking round ta, and accordingly the predicate carries the feminine property round ta, like its subject. Anyhow, the subject and predicate works accordingly in term of gender or in other grammatical situations.
في المكتب
Takes short vowel at the ending letter because it is a prepositional phrase. If you don't know about prepositional phrase, please visit the lesson in the playlist.
الطبيب موجود في المستشفى.
Meaning, the male doctor is present in the hospital.
الطبيبة موجودة في المستشفى.
The female doctor is present in the hospital. The word
موجود
is made on the pattern of
مفعول
from the root
وجيم دال
is adjective and the predicate of the sentence.
في المستشفى
Is a prepositional phrase and the part of the predicate.
الشاعر مشهور بين الناس.
The male poet is famous among the people.
الشاعرة مشهورة بين الناس.
The female poet is famous among the people. The word
مشهور
is made on the pattern of
مفعول
from the root.
شين هاء راء
It is an adjective and predicate of the sentence and therefore taking tanween mark.
بين الناس
Is prepositional phrase and the part of the predicate.
المعلم محبوب في المدرسة.
The male teacher is liked in the school.
المعلمة محبوبة في المدرسة.
The female teacher is liked in the school. Dear learners,
المعلم
is the subject of the sentence and therefore taking definite article, al.
محبوب
Is the predicate of the sentence and therefore taking a tanween symbol. It is made on the pattern of.
مفعول
It also works as a past participle in the sentence.
المدرس حاضر في الفصل.
The male teacher is present in the class.
المدرسة حاضرة في الفصل.
The female teacher is present in the class. Dear learners, the word
حاضر
is made on the Arabic present participle or an adjective pattern called.
فاعل
We can make many such words on this pattern like
ناصر عالم جاهل جالس قائم
المسلم صالح في المجتمع.
the Muslim man is righteous in society.
المسلمة الصالحة في المجتمع.
The female Muslim is righteous in society.
المسلم المسلمة
They are the subject of the sentence therefore taking definite article, al.
صالح
Is the adjective made on the pattern. Fa'ilun which the predicate of the sentence therefore carrying tanween mark. Its root is.
صاد لام حاء في المجتمع
Is prepositional phrase and the part of the predicate. Dear learners, if you do not know about prepositional phrase, please visit the lesson in the playlist.
المؤمن صادق في القول.
The believing man is truthful in the speech.
المؤمنة صادقة في القول.
The believing woman is truthful in the speech.
صادق
Is made on the present participle pattern. Fa'ilun, from the root.
صاد دال قاف في القول
Is a prepositional phrase because it takes a short vowel under the ending letter.
الملك ظالم للناس.
The king is unjust to the people.
الملكة ظالمة للناس.
The queen is unjust to the people.
ظالم
Is present participle made on the pattern.
فاعل للناس
Is a prepositional phrase therefore taking a short vowel under ending letter.
الوزير عادل في الحكم.
The male minister is just in governing.
الوزيرة عادلة في الحكم.
The female minister is just in governing.
عادل
is present participle made on the pattern فاعل from the root
عين دال لام